No snow, just rain. Is Shirakawa-go still worth the trip? Hi everyone, this is Kurt Hashing Adventures, and for today's video, we're sharing you our bus ride experience from Takayama as we explore Shirakawa-go.
Good morning. So nakasakay na kami ngayon ng bus going to Shirakawa-go. So it's actually 8:15 pa lang. So yung non-reserved na bus is actually 8:50 pa yung start. Pero pumunta na kasi kami sa bus stop ng 8 o'clock. So pagdating namin doon, there is a bus na magde-depart ng 8:10 and then they check kung meron pang mga nakapila na non-reserved. Fortunately, may 4 na bakante dito sa reserved bus na 8:10 ang departure. So pinasakay na kami 4. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon kanina kasi I'm expecting mag-aantay pa kami ng matagal sa pila. Pero pagdating namin nakasakay agad kami, which is very fortunate. So maaga kami makakapunta sa Shirakawa-go. Ayun, so ito yung train ng bus. Typical na bus lang naman siya, ayan, pero reserve yung mga seats dito. So papakita ko sa inyo yung mga schedule ng reserve and non-reserve tickets for the bus. Later, wala din kaming reserve ticket pabalik. Pero we'll try to just catch the bus na non-reserve. Pipila na lang ulit kami.
And this is the bus station in Shirakawa-go. We highly suggest that you reserve your return tickets before you explore the village.
So dun banda yung bus stop, yung main bus stop. Dun kayo bababa from Takayama Nohi bus. Dun yung main bus stop. Then you have to walk about siguro mga 500 meters lang. Nandito na yung shuttle bus stop naman. Dito yon. Ito yung schedule pala ng mga bus. So, nag-start siya ng 9 o'clock and then every 20 minutes meron until 3:40. Yan. So guys, sakasakay na kami ngayon ng shuttle bus going to the observatory. So, ang payment dito is cash only and you have to prepare yung payment mo after nyo nang bumaba. Sa pagbaba yung bayad. So, sasakay muna kayo and then saka kayo magbabayad pagbababa na.
Ito naman yung bus stop na dito sa observatory area. So, dito kayo bababa. Tapos maglalakad na lang kayo. It's 5-minute walk na lang going to Gasho Village. So, maglalakad tayo ngayon papunta doon. Naman yung schedule ng pabalik. So guys, dito na kami sa observatory sa Shirakawa-go. Unfortunately, ma-fog kasi nga maulan. Ito yung view na dito. Hindi ganun kaganda yung view kasi nga maulan. Ayan, ma-fog. Wala ding snow dito.
We explored the quiet streets, admired the traditional Gashu houses, and just enjoyed walking slowly through the village. It was rainy, cold, and we got a little wet. And even without snow, the views are still beautiful. Definitely worth the trip. But we're still coming back for that magical snow-covered village. For now, till next time, Shirakawa-go!